2.5x is space. He asked about algebraic factor. What about algebraic factor? It's meaning the letters. He gave us 2.5x and asked about what? Algebraic factor. Algebraic factor here it will be what? Algebraic factor, it will be x. X, we called it algebraic factor. And 2.5 numerical factor. Okay, we called it numerical factor 2.5. So in this example is algebraic factor, it will be what? It will be x. Okay, letter C. The number of terms, okay, letter B. Letter B. The coefficient in the algebraic term 3xy is what? He asked about the coefficient about this algebraic expression. Okay. The coefficient here, we give us 3xy. The coefficient, it will be 3. The coefficient it will be what? The coefficient is 3. Okay, so the result here it will be 3. Write 3. Question letter C. Okay, look at question letter C. The number of terms in the algebraic expression 3xy subtract 25 is 2. We have this expression 3xy subtract by 25. How many terms here? We have 2 terms. This expression contains of 2 terms. The first term 3xy and second term 25. So you must write in the space here 2. The number of terms in this expression it will be 2. Next question. Question letter D. Like terms in the algebraic expression, we have 6x plus 6y plus 2x plus 6. He asked about like terms. Where like terms here? 6x and 2x. We called it what? Like terms. Like terms, it's meaning like what? Algebraic factor. The algebraic factor here, it's equality. So it's 6x and 2x, we called it what? We called it what? Like terms. Like terms, it will be 6x and 2x. Letter E. The constant in the algebraic expression 5b plus 3.2. 3.2 is the constant. The constant here, it will be 3.2. Or you called it absolute term. 3.2 we called it constant or absolute term. Okay, absolute term. So we write here 3.2. Next question, choose the correct answer. Letter A. Like terms in the algebraic expression 2a plus 3ab plus 3 is what? Like expression none. We haven't like terms here. It will be none. Okay, we have in 2 terms here exactly. Letter B. The coefficient in the algebraic expression 5a plus 3b plus 8 subtract 2.5, it will be what? He asked about the coefficient about this expression 5a plus 3b plus 8 subtract 2.5. The coefficient here will be 5 and 3. 5 and 3 we called it what? Algebraic expression. About the algebraic expression, it's a coefficient. The coefficient 5 and 3. Letter C. Ahmed and Tamer have 60 pounds. If what Ahmed has is X pounds, then what Tamer has? We have the total was 60. To find what Ahmed has X pounds, then what Tamer has, the difference between the total and what what Ahmed has. Ahmed has X pounds. So we can write 60 subtract by X to find what Tamer has. Tamer has 60 and set 60 minus X pounds. Okay, next question. Question letter D. The number of terms of the algebraic expression 2.5x plus 2xy subtract by 4. The number of terms 1, 2, 3. We have 3 here, so the result will be 3. Okay, look at next question. Find the value of the variable in each of the following equations. Solve the equation. Okay, look at with me about steps of this example to know the result. Okay, first equation, we have here x plus 9 equal 12. We can find the value of unknown number here by 8. The additive inverse about this number, the additive inverse about 9, it will be negative 9. Then you can write x plus 9 subtract by 9 equal 12 minus 9. And then 9 subtract by 9 equals 0. 0, we called it additive identity. And 12 minus 9 equal 3. Then x plus 0 equal x equal 3. It's the first equation here. Second equation, letter P. We have here y plus 6 equal 11. You must cancel this number by 8. The additive inverse about this number here, it will be negative 6. Y plus 6 minus 6 equal 11 minus 6. Additive inverse, use, we have positive, so you must add negative 6 to left hand side and right hand side. And then 6 minus 6 equals 0. And 11 minus 6 equal 5. Y plus 0 equal y. Then y will be equal what? Equal 5. 0 here, additive identity. Letter C. We have 3 plus p equal 5. You must cancel this number by 8, the additive inverse of this digit. 3 subtract by 3 plus 5 plus p equal 5 minus what? 5 minus 3. You must add the additive inverse about this number. Additive inverse, this number 3 will be negative 3. You must add negative 3 to left hand side, right hand side about this equation. Okay, and 3 minus 3 equals 0. 0 plus p equal 5 minus 3 equal 2. Then 0 plus p equal b, because b, 0 here we called it additive identity. B will be equal to. It's the solution set about letter C. Letter D. We have here a subtract by 6 equal 8. You must cancel negative 6 here by 8. The additive inverse about this number will be positive. Right here, a minus 6 plus 6 equal 8 plus 6. A plus 0 equal 8 plus 6 equal 14. Then a plus 0, it will be a equal what? Equal 14. The solution set equal 14. Letter E. 6m. Letter E. 6m equal 24. You must cancel the coefficient about algebraic factor here. The coefficient 6. It's a numerical factor. You cancel this coefficient by divided by 6. 6m divided by 6, it will be m, and 24 divided by 6 equal 4. Then m here will be equal 4. Letter F. 3n equal 21. We can divide it by 3. 3n divided by 3 equal n, and 21 divided by 3 equal 7. Letter G. We have 5 over 4 equal, which is s, okay, s over 4 equal 12. We can cancel 4 in numerator by multiplication 4 from left hand side and right hand side. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 1 times s equal s. And 12 times 4 equal 48. The result will be 40. It's 12 or 3. It's 3. Okay. Again, this example we have s over 4 equal 3. Then we can cancel this denominator by times 4 to left hand side, right hand side. 3 times 4 equal 12. Then s will be equal 12. Question letter H. 1 over 5t equal 4. We can cancel 1 over 5. Okay, see 5. We can cancel 5 from denominator by times 5 from left hand side and right hand side. Cancel 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 1 times t equal t, and 4 times 5 equal 20. The result will be equal 20. Okay, understood?